Good morning, everyone. So it's about 7 o'clock here in California. Let's get on with this techno analysis on Bitcoin. So we'll start at the hourly today. See if we can find anything on the hourly. Not much has happened since yesterday. We never hit that 700 mark like I said yesterday. Well, right off the bat, we can see a little trend line right here. There's some support right there. And there's a resistance trend line right here. So I think that's what we're forming right now, and then we're near the apex already. So this could break down or break up anytime soon. Let's get rid of these real quick and let's move on to 2 hour. Yeah, so the 200 EMA is being a good support level, and then the 55 EMA is being the resistance. I feel like it'll just get some sideways action and then like squeeze the price until a breakout. On the 4 hours, some nasty rejections to the downside. We're getting some nice candles. Okay, so if we close above that previous candle, we might get some action to the top side. This is looking pretty good. 6 hour 55 EMA is being a really good support. Again, if we close higher than the previous candle on the hourly, I feel we'll be good. We gotta close above that. Yeah, okay. So on the 12 hour, we're getting a nasty rejection to the downside too. This might come down. Honestly, that little scalp area might not even be a scalp on the 12 hour, because yeah, this might just get broken ran through. This might get the train ran over. Yeah, that's a nice resistance on like an hourly. So if you are shorting that, please try to scalp. Don't let it be a main short. We are getting hidden bullish divergence from that low point to that point, and we can clearly see a support trend right there. True. We are getting higher lows. I'd say this might be some sort of ascending triangle. 12,000 being the resistance. Let's look at the daily or 6 hour first real quick. Yeah, if you go below, if we have a close below this on the 4 hour, I look for a short. Yeah, a close below the trend line on the 4 hour, I'd look for a short. I'd start shorting this. For short term, not long term, obviously. On the daily, we saw the trend line from yesterday, and that 55 EMA should be a nice entry zone for longs on the daily, and then below that would be the retest of the trend line, the multi-year trend line. Nice entry around 9,500, and then I feel like it'll be like a wick and shoot straight up if it's strong and bullish. Let's look at gold. Yesterday's close was an indecision in the market. We need to break above that for it to be a bullish sign. Let's get a Fibonacci real quick. Yeah, we're below the 0.382, and that's not a good sign. We need to close above that, and we might get some action to the upside. There's a resistance in the 0.5 area too. What else do we see? Let's get rid of that. There is some hidden bullish divergence here and here. At that point, it's a higher high. That's a lower high. Lower low, I mean. Yeah, so there's hidden bullish divergence on there. Yeah, the MACD looks like it'll cross back up again. Stochastic. Oh, there's a support right here, so I might come down here and then bounce up. Yeah, so this is looking pretty strong. I don't see any bearish bias. Like nothing is convincing me it'll come even more down yet, just besides being it lower than 0.32. Let's go to the CMEs for Bitcoin, and I want to show you something that I saw on the weekly. Ever since CME's open, I guess you could draw the trend line with the closes of the candles like this, and that will be the breakout. But if you use the wicks, it's like right at the resistance of the trend line, and then that means the trend line never broke. The trend is still to the downside as of right now, or that triangle, multi-year triangle that we see. Yeah, this might. We'll see how it closes tomorrow and go from there. But we need to break above this price. We might go a little higher and make a little doji candle. Let's look at the S-mini futures real quick. SPX looking like it'll make another all-time high today. Yeah, 3,400 I believe. Yeah. Okay, so making all-time highs probably today. Yeah, either today or tomorrow. But this week I feel like we'll make all-time highs. Or we might double top. This is looking very good though. You see the EMAs fanning out. Yeah. We've been going up ever since election though, so November is coming very soon, so I'd save money and then wait for a downside action and then get in. Depending on how elections go, this might come down. Let's look at NASDAQ. Fucking amazing. Broke the all-time highs from that little Corona downside action. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's look at the ES mini futures. Alright, so yeah, this might be a ending fifth wave diagonal. Yeah, I could count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. If this is a double top, I feel like it might come down to at least 55 EMA. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. And that could be a double top right there. And if we see, we might come down to around right there. 3,200-ish area. That's where I would get in for now. Again, price prediction isn't really the way to go about things. You just want to react to what the market gives you.